Hi guys, welcome back to Eduate channel. Today we will be discussing the brief course outline of livestock production management according to MSVE 2016 curriculum. So it actually deals with the basic strategies of LPM, various breeds, breed properties, etc., and how to raise these breeds and how to raise these poultry, etc. So this is actually a 4+2 course. You will be having 9 theory topics and 8 practical topics. So these are the annual examination pattern for this, and 20 marks from the internal will be conducted. So this is Unit 1, General Livestock Management. You'll be basically dealing with the demographic distribution of livestock, role in Indian economy, body confrontation of animals, of zoo animals, wild animals, culling of animals, judging and body condition scoring of different animals. So Unit 2 is the fodder production and conservation. You'll be dealing with the fodder production, different types of fodders, how to conserve the fodder, how to produce in a small area, scarcity of fodders, preservation of green fodder, etc. Structure of fodders, etc. So Unit 3 will be livestock production management of ruminants. You'll be mainly dealing with housing, layout, design of different buildings for animals, general principles for affecting the design, weaning of ruminants, routine animal farm operations, clean milk production, how to manage heifers, pregnant, lactating dairy animals, and all. You'll be dealing with the ruminant breeds also. So Unit 4, zoo animals production management. Classification of zoos, national and international organization institutions, interlinked to captive animals role, classifications of zoo animals, enclosure of zoo, what all facilities should be provided in a zoo, status and conservation practices in Indian wildlife. So Unit 5 is animal welfare. This is actually a statistical and economical topic which leads with the protection of animal. And you'll be dealing with the Animal Welfare Board of India, their role, their functions, Cruelty to Animals Act, protection of wildlife in nature, animal welfare during natural calamities, code and conduct of ethics of veterinarians, etc. So Unit 6 is a very vast in poultry production management. You'll be dealing with the brooding management, types of poultry houses, types of breeders, different types and different advantages of growers and layers, cage management, poultry statistics, egg structure, breeding systems of method of mating, biosecurity in poultry farms, backyard and semi-intensive units, deep litter management, etc. Unit 7 is diversified poultry production and hatchery management. You'll be mainly dealing with hatchery and poultry waste management, packing and hatchery wastes, organic hill farming, mixed integrated poultry farming, etc. So Unit 8 is actually the laboratory or rabbit or pet animal production. We'll be dealing with mainly the lab animals or pet animal production, selection, care of newborn of rabbit, lab animals, breeds of rabbits in India, breeds of rabbits or lab animals used for rearing meat and used in scientific purposes, microyard protection, important breeds of dogs, cats, etc. So swine or equine or camel and duck and MITHUN production management, Unit 9. This is a very important. You'll be studying the breeds of swines, the properties of breeds, properties of equine breeds, equine population in the camel population, yak population, MITHUN population, race horses caring, how race horses should be performed before horses, colic detection, care of breeding in camel, care of breeding in horses, equines, ponies, donkeys, mules, fertility, etc. will be dealt. Saddling exercises, etc. all will be dealt in this unit. So practical, you'll be having 8 units. So that is actually general livestock management. You will be familiar with this. General introduction to institutional animal farm, project proposal details, dentition details, method of identification of animals, use of rod for halter making, and judging of animals. Fodder production and conservation, which is the Unit 2, will be mainly familiarized with this various fertilizers, manures, calculation of fodder production, visit to fodder farm, livestock-based utilization and identification of fodder products. And in Unit 3, you will be having LPM for ruminants, that is layout plans of different livestock for ruminants, milking of dairy animals, detection of heat, economics of dairy, sheep goat farm examination, determination of body weight using different measurements, dipping, shearing, dipping, spraying, and spotting sick animals, humane handling, restraining, etc. So Unit 4 is zoo animals production management. You will be studying about the wildlife sanctuary, their daily habits, their storage of feed animals, storage of feeds, feed schedule, captive animals, and their mental strength measurements. So Unit 5 poultry production management, you will be dealing with the post-mortem examination, sample collection, blood collection, poultry feed ingredients, in poultry, economic traits of type of breeders and classifications. In Unit 6, mainly incubation and hatchery management, that is hatchery layout and design, project proposal, visit to commercial poultry farm, visit to farms of other avian species. In Unit 7, you will be mainly having properties related to rabbit pet animal production management, care of pups, care of litters, feeding and house management, maintenance of breeding records of laboratory animals, nail, tooth care, etc. Unit A, you will be handling restraining of swine, camels, equines, horse riding, preparation of swine, swine judging, economics of pig, routine inspection of pig teeth, etc. Thank you. For more products or more PDF question papers and other related books for LPM, you can get into the link in the description box. Thank you.